Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. In this video, we will see how we minimize the token cost in the RAG and LLM application. So token cost is basically depends upon the input token, output token, number of model costs. Our goal should be send a fewer token, make a fewer costs, and use the right model. So first strategy is improve the retrieval quality. So we can use the re-ranking, better re-ranking model to get a relevant chunk and then give it to the LLM. LLM will respond us with accurate information. What are the benefit of this strategy? So it have fewer tokens, lower cost, and then we have a optimized chunk size. So instead of giving the large chunk size, we will give a smaller chunk size. Then it in that case it will have a lesser context to be sent, better travel accuracy. Next is use context, use a smaller model. So for the smaller application, we can use the GPT-4o. 4.1 milli, and for the complex application we can use GPT-5. So in that case we can reduce the 50 to 90% of the cost. Next is use prompt compression. So in that case, instead of giving this large prompt, so we can also say that answer only from this context only, and it will benefit us to save the token on every calls. And next is limit the output token. So instead of setting the maximum token 2000, we set it to the 200. So in that case it will have a lower generation cost, faster in response. Also we have a cache the response. So frequently access response, we can cache it and then save to the cache, and in that case we have no LLM call again and again, near zero cost. And we have also cache embedding. So instead of saving the embedding to the database, we can cache it and then response back to the vector search. And in that case we have a lower embedding cost. And eighth is use the hybrid search. So you can use the hybrid search, so it will reduce the zero generation cost in that case. And we can also use the summarizing the long document. So instead of sending 100-page PDF document, we give a summary to the LLM model. So in that case we can save the massively tokens. 10th is multi-model architecture. So we can use the multi-model architecture. For the embedding, we can use text embedding 3 small, BGE re-ranker for the re-ranking, simple QA GPT 4.1 mini, complex QA we can use GPT-5. So in that case it is used for the enterprise grade cost optimization. Last is use conversion memory wisely. So instead of sending the entire chat history to the LLM, we summarize the conversation and then send it to the LLM. So in that case we have a significant token reduction. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more relevant questions to the channel.